Surface flatten, a very powerful feature in Solidworks Surface. It will create a flattened surface from any complex geometry or surface. So let's try to do this and we will learn about surface flatten. This is one surface. Now go to surfaces feature tab and activate surface flatten. Now here first you have to choose the surface which you want to flatten. So I am going to select this surface. Now additional, you have to define a vertex on any line from which you want to flatten, or any point on the line. Even some cases line also works. So I'm going to select this one. Now you will see a flat view. Now additional entity I'll do later. Now you will see accuracy. It is moved towards lower. If you keep cursor near low, the mesh size become high and you will get less accurate result. Let's try this. See, show mesh preview. Now evaluate, measure and select this. $343.61. Now keep near high. Okay. Now again measure. See, 343.87. Before it was different. So this is how we can change it. Okay, this one, just delete this. Now we will go one step ahead. There is one curve. Go to flatten surfaces, surface flatten. Now select this. Now we have one more surface, so simply choose surface here. I am going to choose the line. In some cases, in most of the cases, we need to choose vertex. Additional entities. If you want to select this one, and if you want to represent this on here, you will do it. Say OK. Now see, this is also projected on this. Delete. Now we will do one more thing. We want to add some relief cut. Surface flatten, selection. Let's say now here too many bodies, too many surfaces. Vertex, I am going to choose this. Now here additional, if you want to select, see, and here one option called cut relief. If you select this two, say OK and right click deform. Now you will see all the deformations happen across this and you will get a perfect shape with the help of a complex surface. Even though if you want to delete this body, just go to direct editing, delete and keep body, delete body, select this, OK. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.